English book. Now today we are going to do page number 15, 16 and 17. So open page number 15. Here the topic is big and small. Do you know what is big? Big means bada and small means chota. Okay. So what is the question? Tick the bigger object in each group. So can you see this object? All these objects. So one is big, one is small, right? So among these two objects from each group, we have to tick the bigger one. So look here, there are two boxes. One is big, one is small. So we have to tick which one? Yes, the bigger box. So tick here, tick this box. Okay. Now next is this. What is this? This is a rat and this is a elephant. Which one is big? Yes, elephant is big. Bada hai na rat sir? Yes. So that's why we have to tick elephant. Now next is look. This one is a small plant and this one is a tree. So we have to tick the big one. So we have to tick the tree. Now look here. This is a football and this is a cricket ball. So which one is big? Yes, this ball. So tick this ball. Now next is this is a puppy and this is a dog. So which one we have to tick? This dog. So in this way you have to do this page. So this page is your homework. Now done the page. Come to the next page, that is page number 16. Now here the topic is tall and short. Tall means lamba and short means chota. Okay. Now look here, there are two girls. The question is look at the picture, circle the shorter object. So we have to find out the short one and we have to circle the short object. So here are two girls. One is short and another one is tall. So which one we have to circle? Yes, the short one. So circle this short girl. Then this one is giraffe and this one is lamb. So which one is short? Yes, lamb is short. Shorter than giraffe, right? So circle lamb. Then this is a coconut tree and this is a small tree, okay? So which one is short? This one. So circle this tree, okay? So in this way do the rest of the part. So this page is also your homework. Now come to the next page, that is page number 17. Now here what you have to do? Draw the lines from your favorite foods to the lunch box. Can you see this lunch box? We all have lunch box, right? Why we use lunch box? Yes, to bring the food to eat in school. We use this lunch box during tiffin time, right? So what you have to do? There are some various types of food. You have to draw a line from the food to the lunch box according to your favorite food. Okay. Whatever the food you like, you just draw a line. Suppose I like orange, so I have drawn a line from orange to lunch box. Then I love chapati and dal, so I have drawn a line from here to here. In this way, whatever food you like among these pictures, you can draw a line from there to lunch box. Okay, so this page is also your homework. Okay, now take out your easy learning maths book, this one. Now come to page number 61, this page. Now here what we have to do, count the pictures in each row, draw a ring around the correct number. So here are some pictures, we have to count these pictures and we have to circle the correct number, okay? So look here, one has been done. Now, what are these? These are all oranges. So count orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oranges. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to circle the number 4. So it is already done. Now, in this way we have to do rest of this. Okay. So what are these? These are all are strawberries. So how many strawberries? 1, 2, 3. So where is 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among these 5 numbers, where is 3? Yes, it is there. So circle number 3. Now what is this? These are bananas. So how many bananas? 1, 2. 2 bananas. So circle number 2. This is pear. So how many pear? 1. So circle 1. So in this way, do this part, okay? Now next question is color the correct number or shapes in each row. So here are some numbers you have, and here are some shapes. You have to color those shapes according to this number. So which number is this? This is number 8. So you have to color 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to color 8 circles, okay? Now which number is this? This is number 9. And which shape is this? This is triangle. So you have to color 9 triangles. Now which number is this? This is 10. And which shape is this? This is square. So you have to color 10 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to color all the squares, okay? So this page is your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page. Here our first question is how many creatures are there in each circle? Write the number in the box. So in each circle there are some creatures. So we have to count those creatures and we have to write the number in this box, okay? So in first circle, what are these? These all are butterflies, right? So how many butterflies? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies. So you have to write here 6. Now what is this? These all are rabbits. So how many rabbits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rabbits. So write here 8. In this way, do the rest of the part. Now next question is write the missing numbers on the train carriages. So can you see this train? And in each box there are some numbers. So you have to find out the missing numbers and you have to write the missing numbers here. So first one is 0. After 0, which number comes after 0? 1. So write here 1. Then 2 is already written here. We have to find out which number? 3. Number 3 is not there. So you have to write here 3. Then 4 is also not there. So you have to write here 4. Then 5, 6. After 6, 7. Write 7. Then 8. After 8, 9. So 10 is already written here. Okay. So in this way you have to do this page. So this page is also your homework. Now come to the next page. That is page number 63. What you have to do in this page? First question is join the dots to make a picture and color it. You have to join these dots to make a picture. Okay. Now look here. There are some dots. You have to join these dots and to make a picture like this. From here you have to join this dot, then this, after this, then this, okay, then from here join this dot, then this one, then this one. Oh, which picture is this now? This is a fish, right? So after joining all the dots, what you have to do? You have to color this fish, okay? So this is your homework. Now our second question is cross the odd one out in each row. In each row there are some odd things. So we have to cross that odd one. So look, in this picture all are bananas, right? But look here, how many bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means these all are same, right? But here only one. That means this one is odd. So we have to cross this one. So now here there are how many trees? 5 trees, and on that trees there are some fruits. So let's count how many fruits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the trees have 10 fruits, but except this one. In this tree, how many fruits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means this is odd one. So we have to cross this one. In this way, do rest of the part. This page is also your homework. Okay. Now take out your another maths book. That is Grafenko Preschool Maths Activity book. This one. Okay. Now come to page number 31. This page. Now here, what we have to do? We have to count 16 marbles, and after that we have to color the marbles. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So after counting 16 marbles, you have to color the marbles. Then what you have to do? You have to trace the number 16, and after that you have to write it by yourself. Now I will show you how you will trace the number 16. Look here in the board. From here you have to draw a straight line, then 1, then a curved line to make 6. 1, 6, 16. So in this way you have to do in your book. This page is your homework. Now turn the page, go to the next page. Now we will do number 17. Now what we have to do? We have to count the marbles. 17 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So after counting 17 marbles, color it. Okay. Then here you have to trace the number 17, and here you have to write it by yourself. Now I will show you how you will trace the number 17. Like this. One straight line. This is number 1. A small sweeping line, then a slanting line. Number 7. 1, 7, 17. So this page is your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page. Now this one is number 18. Here you have to count, again you have to count 18 marbles, and then you have to color those marbles. Okay. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here 18 marbles, we have to color this 18 marbles. Then you have to trace the number 18 and write it by yourself. Now I will show you how we will trace the number 18. Like this. 1, 8, 18. So in this way you will trace the number 18, and here you have to write it by yourself. So this page is your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page. That is number 19. So here you have to count 19 marbles. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then collect this 19 marbles, and here you have to trace the number 19, and here you have to write it by yourself. Now I will show you how you will write number 19 like this. One standing line, and this is curved line and standing line. 1 line, 19. In this way you have to write here. Okay. So this page is also your homework. Now come to the next page. That is page number 35. Here we have to count how many marbles? 20 marbles. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After that, color these 20 marbles. Then here you have to trace the number 20, and here you have to write it by yourself. Now look at the board, how you will trace the number 20. Like this. Curved line like this, and a slipping line. This is 2, and this is 0. 2, 0, 20. So this page is also your homework. Okay, now take out your Easy Learning General Awareness book. This one. Now open page number 39. This one. So here what you have to do. What is the topic? Good manners. So there are. Do you know there are 4 magical words? What are the 4 magical words? First one is thank you, sorry, excuse me, and please. These 4 are magical words. Okay? Sorry, thank you, please, and excuse me. So when we use thank you, when someone give us something, then we use thank you. Okay? And when we use please, when we ask anything from someone, then we use, on that time we use please. Then when we use sorry, suppose on that time when we sneeze in front of others, on that time we use sorry. And when we use excuse me, when we want suppose there is a crowd in a bus and you want to go outside the bus, so for that what you have to say? You have to say excuse me. Okay? And then you can go outside from the bus. So these 4 are magical words. This you have to use these words because this is a good manner. Okay? So Shivi tells her grandmother about these good manners which she learned from her school. So let's see what she is saying. Shivi tells her grandmother that we learn good manners at school. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me. We say when we sneeze. We say sorry when we do something wrong. Whenever we do something wrong, we say sorry. And whenever we sneeze, we use sorry or excuse me. Okay? Now your homework is you have to learn this all 4 magical words in your home, at your home. Okay? So this is your homework.
हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग। आप सब ठीक हो ना? यस, वेरी गुड। चलिए आप सब मेरे साथ गाना गाइए तो। आ इ उ ऊ ए ऐ ओ औ औ अह। आ इ उ ऊ री 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 ए ऐ ओ औ अह। वाह 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 वाह, वेरी गुड। आप लोगों ने कितने अच्छे से सुना ना बच्चों? तो आज हम करेंगे लेखन कार्य। लेखन कार्य किसे कहते हैं? यस, एंड राइटिंग। जो हम लिखते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं लेखन कार्य। तो आज हम अपने क्लासरूम कॉपी और होमवर्क कॉपी में लेखन कार्य करेंगे। क्या करेंगे बोलो? यस, क्या करेंगे? अंग और अह, 2 बस वर्ण लिखेंगे। कितने वर्ण लिखेंगे? 2 वर्ण। एक लिखेंगे अंग और दूसरा लिखेंगे अह। अंग से क्या होता है? अंग से अंगूर, अह खाली, बजाओ ताली। समझ आया? अंग से अंगूर, अह खाली, बजाओ ताली। जो बच्चा अच्छे से लिखेगा उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे क्लास में? तालियां बजाएंगे और उसको 3 स्टार्स देंगे। कितना स्टार? 3 स्टार्स। ऐसे दूंगी मैं 3 स्टार्स। इसीलिए आपको बहुत सुंदर और साफ अक्षरों में आपको अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है। ओके? अंग भी कैसा है? बहुत इजी है। जैसे हम लोग अ लिखते थे ना, वैसे ही हम लोग अंग लिखेंगे। अंग ऐसा होता है, देखो, हाफ सर्कल, फिर हाफ सर्कल, फिर स्ट्रेट लाइन और एक यहाँ पर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन। ये क्या हो गया? ऊपर से अंग का ये जो गोल होता है, ये अंग की बिंदु होती है। इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? अंग। क्या बोलते हैं? अंग से अंगूर। इसका उच्चारण क्या होता है? अंग। और अह कैसे लिखेंगे? अह भी हाफ सर्कल, फिर हाफ सर्कल सुंदर से देके एक स्ट्रेट लाइन देंगे, फिर एक और साइड से एक और स्ट्रेट लाइन। उसके बाद ये आहा, ये डिस्टर्ब होता है ना, जो ये दो जो हम बिंदु दे रहे हैं, ये किसका बिंदु है? आहा। किसका बिंदु है? आहा। आहा क्या बोलते हैं इसे? आहा। ओके, तो इसी तरह हम अंग और आहा को लिखते रहेंगे अपने कॉपी में, धीरे धीरे करके सुंदर से ऐसे ऐसे करके लाइन टू लाइन हम लोग थोड़ा इधर भी नहीं लिखेंगे, इधर भी नहीं लिखेंगे और ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं करेंगे। जो आपकी जो लाइन है ना कॉपी में, इसी लाइन के अंदर ही हम इसे लिखेंगे। कैसे लिखेंगे देखो, मैंने आपकी कॉपी में लिख के दिया है, आप लोग देखो बच्चों किस तरह लिखना है। ये जो अंग और आह दिया गया है, आपको एक एक लाइन छोड़ के उसी तरह से सुंदर से नीचे नीचे तक लिखना है। फिर यहाँ थोड़ा गैप होगा, फिर साइड में आपको धीरे धीरे एक एक लाइन छोड़ के क्या लिखना है? आह लिखना है। समझ आया आपको? बाय बाय।